Hi, welcome to our video about our Seat Leon 2 litre TDI FR 170 in silver, as you can see. Nice straight car, 2 owners from new, full service history, 79,000 miles. I'll just take you around it a little bit more closely with a bit more detail. Just take you down the panels so you can see. Clean wheel there, no marks on that. Good tread, rallies on the front. There we go, just down the side. You can see there's no marking. We had an unmarked wheel. Michelin primacies on the rear. No nasty scratching on the lip of the bumper, so no pets or anything like that have been or excessive loading. Just got a bit of sun this side, so I'll try and keep the dazzling out. So the driver's side again, no marks on the wheel, Michelin primacy tyre, and then down the panel you can see possibly we've got privacy glass as well. So down that side, front wheel and tyre again, Pirelli and unmarked wheel. So we've got Pirellis on the front, Michelin's on the rear, so decent tyres. No horrendous stone chipping to the front, as there are on these sometimes, and no scuffs on the numbers. So I'll just show you the inside now. So I'll give you a close up of the seats so you can see. There's no wear there at all. It is in good shape, this car, there's no question about that. And similarly on this side you've got your climate controls, electrics, 6-speed box, and again, sorry about the sun there, no wear on the bolsters. And you've also got your multifunction steering wheel. Okay, it's all clean and tidy in there as well. And then the rear seat doesn't look like it's been used really, to be honest. I'm sure it has, but it doesn't look like it. So there you go. For a 56 plate car, it is in remarkable condition, this one. Drives very well, full service history as we've said. And all of our vehicles are HPI clear and carry a full MOT and parts and labour warranty. And we are members of the Good Garage Scheme. Our customer feedback can be seen on the website goodgaragescheme.com. And also we are members of our local trading standards motor scheme, so we are approved for car sales and workshop facilities by the local trading standards office to be online. So if you are interested, it's a Chester number 01244 377 747. And thanks for watching. Bye.